Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This time we will review the journal entitled The Effectiveness of Direct Method in Arabic Language Learning. Background. Previous research showed that students found difficulties in mastering adat and ma'dud Arabic learning. This is because the system of division, concept, and types of adat and ma'dud in Arabic grammar are different from the concept used in student native language. The result of other studies show that the study found 927 errors relating to al-adat and ma'dud. The most errors are in the aspect of i'rab, adat and ma'dud, followed by errors in the other aspect, and then errors related to writing ma'dud, errors in placing the position of adat and ma'dud, errors in the equivalent of number between adat and ma'dud, and errors related to writing adat. As I mentioned that in the learning process, students also often make mistakes because of misunderstanding the concept of isim adat while ma'dud and its operation. Even though this topic is considered difficult and confusing, it is a very important language principle in Arabic. Research question: what is the direct method? How to apply direct method? Literature review. The theories work. Basic arithmetic operation in Arabic are discussed in number material of Arabic. The number in Arabic is either the calculated object is called ma'dud. One of the Quranic studies in the lake of language is al-adat wal ma'dud. The number is pressure format by a number element which is the enter or call element called adat and followed by the attribute element. Normally, the noun of al-ma'dud. There are 5 kinds of number in Arabic, namely adat mufradat, adat murakkab, adat ma'tuf, adat ukud, and adat mudhaf. Method. This research was located at the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, FKIP, University of Peradaban. This type of research is quantitative experimental research. The approach of this research is experimental research. The experimental design used in this study was post-test only control setting. The population of this research were students of mathematics education, English language education (PBI), elementary school teacher education (PGSD). The symbol of this was PGSD to students as the experimental class and PBI as the control class. In this study, sampling used sample random sampling. The data collection technique of this study were interviews, observation, documentation, and test. Calculation of the validity of the test question is done by using the product moment correction technique. From the result of the validity test showed that the 5 questions were considered to be valid. The calculation of the reliability of the test was done by using Cronbach alpha, comparing and difficulty level using the type of problem description. The paracuity test is carried out first, namely the normality test, the homogeneity test, and efficiency test. Then statistical analysis is performed namely offer the similarity test, completeness test, and comparative test. Okay. Result: the learning process carried out in the study is learning and teaching by using direct method and adat and ma'dud material. There are steps in Arabic learning or adat and ma'dud material that are started or forced or learning activities used for language Arabic in explaining the meaning of the word or mad to the technique excluded, showing concrete objects the meaning of the one in question, such as one pen, two book, and so on, explaining the meaning of it. B. Demonstration be similar to planning meaning of the stance, such as Istaraitu kitabaini isnaini, that meant I have bought two books. C. Playing a role drama. B. Using Arabic related to adat and ma'dud, mentoring the opposite word. A. Carrying synonyms. F. Associating such as saying a word that remains the meaning of maintaining another word. G. Mentioning the main stance and its mustaq. H. Explaining the meaning of word of sentences. I. Translating into the language of instruction. The application of the direct method in Arabic learning help the students to understand adat and ma'dud material as well. This is because students directly speak out the Arabic vocabulary, understand the meaning of word, and perceive directly when performing role is drama related to adat and ma'dud. After learning is carried out, students are given a test to determine the understanding of student in arithmetic. The result of the test carried out the quiz test and completeness test. Recommendation or conclusion based on the description above. The conclusion of this study one, arithmetic understanding of student through the direct method in learning Arabic material adat and ma'dud can accept the standard of minimum mastery KM, that is 76 blah blah blah. 2. The available standard of arithmetic student through the direct method is which is higher than the conventional model, that is 556 blah blah blah. Then it can be concluded that the direct method is effective in understanding arithmetic in Arabic learning and adat and ma'dud material. Variables that can be improved in other studies are cognitive, psychomotor, and affective aspects such as mathematical communication skill, Arabic speaking skill, numeracy skill, motivation, and other. Okay, this discussion is finished. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Cek 1 2 cek dicoba. Yes, 1 2.